Hello my friends of my channel and lava lovers. Look at that. How intense is that? 4 lava flows going from direction north. At the east on top you can see the flows. There are in the moment about 5 new fissures, new vents open. It's incredible. And it looks like this deep magma coming off the vent. That means the magma coming up, coming about from 30 to 40 kilometers deep from the mantle. Very liquid AA lava. Pretty amazing what's going on La Palma. Today is Sunday, number 28 of November 2021. Give me a like button, press the like button, give me a like if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye bye.